Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, what is going on? So you found this video, guys, because you're searching for a method on how to get free credits in IMVU, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this tutorial, guys. I've managed to find a brand new working method to get unlimited credits in IMVU, and it only takes a few minutes of your time, guys. So you can all do this, and this is going to save you a bunch of money. If we go to the in-app purchases, let's just have a quick look. So you can get 50,000 credits, is around $50 US, so which is absolutely insane. It's about $1 a thousand credits. But I'm going to show you in this video how to get unlimited credits in our IMVU. And it is easy peasy lemon squeezy. So you need to use a mobile phone. It works on iOS and Android, and you need to open up the internet. So have an internet connection on your phone and go to this website, guys. Make sure you spell it correctly, wavyplugin.com. So spell it exactly like this, guys. Pause the video if you need to. Very important you do go to the correct website. Now, this is basically a modded app store where it gives you plugins and mods for tons of different apps. You can see it's got all of your favorite games on here, and they have some premium applications as well. Go to the search bar and search for IMVU, and this is an IMVU credits plugin, free 1 million credits for IMVU. So that's about $1,000 worth or more. So go ahead, do that, guys. This is going to basically supply you with the free credits. You can see, guys, it's going to be a plugin, and you can run it in the background as you play the legit game, and it's going to give you 1 million free credits in IMVU. So that is the best method, guys. Literally super simple. Just go to Wavy plugin, search for the IMVU plugin, and that's how to get 1 million free credits, guys. So this is going to reach the end, and if this is your first time on Wavy plugin, you'll probably need to verify your device, but it's super easy. It takes a few minutes, guys. Just follow the instructions and complete a couple of these tasks, and that is how to get 1 million free credits in IMVU, and it takes between 5 and 10 minutes. So super simple, guys. That is going to save you a ton of money, and yeah, really awesome method, by far the best that I found. Go to Wavy plugin, search for the IMVU page, verify yourself, and get your free credits now. So enjoy, guys. Smash that like button if you got your free IMVU credits, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.